How to add address on Temu. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get your parcels on the right address on Temu. To get started, you need to open the Temu app. Once you're in, tap on You from the bottom. Then scroll down and tap on Addresses. Now select Add a new address. Here, first you need to enter your full name. After that, add street address. Also, you need to give your detailed address, like apartment, unit, building, and all that. Rest of the information will be generated automatically, but you can also add it manually. Lastly, you need to give your phone number. Once you're all done, hit the Save button to save this information on your account. Your new address has been saved. Now you'll get delivered to this new address. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.